Hi Year 10. This map called World Population Density will give you some information about where people live in your chosen country and how densely populated your chosen city is. We're doing Indonesia and Jakarta, and you can see this on this zoomed out scale of the map. The darker the colour, the more people live per kilometre squared, and up here in the left hand corner is the key, and you can see that the very low population densities are very white, and that's 20 to 99 people living in a kilometre squared, and the most densely populated regions are coloured yellow, and that's 80,000 more people living in an area the size of 1 kilometre squared. So let's have a closer look at Indonesia. We're going to zoom in using the plus sign into Indonesia, and at this scale we can see that most of the population of Indonesia is located in Java. Most people live in Java, this island of Java, and Java has got several very big cities which we'll have a look at in a bit more detail now. We'll zoom in again and we can see Jakarta now coming into view, and if you look at Jakarta you can see that I think it goes up to about 22,000 and 28,000 per kilometre square in the densely populated middle area. But over here is another city called Bandung, and that is extremely densely populated. I'd say that goes up to the highest class of 80,000 people per kilometre squared. Jakarta, though, spreads over a much bigger area, so it's going to have a lot more people living here than the more densely populated Bandung. You can use this information to add to your country description, your city description for your inquiry.